Hello YouTubers, welcome back here at a brand new video of Tuning Dutchy. Now, actually in this video I'm gonna tell you guys what have changed actually so far in my private situation. Because I'm extremely busy um, and that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you guys very soon about. So, now the first thing to start off with is that you guys currently have not seen any drive POVs yet in the last, I think, 2-3 weeks. So I will definitely do something about that, but when exactly is yet unknown. And that's the reason, because I'm very busy. So doesn't mean that I don't make any time or something. No, that's not it. But still, I actually am looking for myself even to get some time. Now I have some time, so I take it. The thing is, um, there are some things changed in my private life, if we speak about cars, of course, and tuning, meetings, performance stuff, social contacts, financial, everything. A lot have changed, and I'm gonna tell you guys that not too long in this video. I try to keep it as short as possible. Now, to start it off actually very quickly and very easy, my life currently is actually so busy because I'm one of the admins at this situation, as well on Facebook and on WhatsApp. So I became a admin of one of the tuning groups, and I joined them not for a long time ago, because those people are tuning as well, just like I do. They also know a lot of things, and sometimes people can teach me stuff. Sometimes I can teach them some things. We are all helping each other, learning each other. If you do something for me, I do something for you, just like it should be. Now, this is also working in this way, and because I'm an admin in the tuning group and I have to react like between 400 and 900 messages a day, that makes it a little bit more difficult. So I have to be extremely active. So that means, indeed, guys, as you guys already can hear, because I wouldn't wonder if you guys are asking what you are in the tuning group and this is gonna increase well, increase a lot of stuff. Well, depends. It is very good indeed, because social contacts are going better. My possibilities are higher because someone already told me, hey, you know what? Why don't you get yourself a BMW V6? So that's one of the videos I also posted on my YouTube channel, V3 to V6. Just check that one out if you didn't already. That's going about that. Um, and I could take the engine, transmission, ECU, and a lot of other stuff for only 550 euros, which is probably like, let's say, 700, 800 euros. Dollars, I mean. So that's not a lot, because, well, we are all one, actually. Now, recently, if we talk about things that I have done on my car, yes, there has been changed some things as well, in a good way. Now, the most important thing on my car currently is, of course, the WOK status. You know, we were actually thinking like, do I get a WOK? Do I have to set everything back to default? Or not? Can I continue with what I'm doing? That's also I'm gonna answer at this moment. No, I don't have a WOK, and probably no, I won't get it. Reason why is what I'm gonna tell you. The reason why I wouldn't get a WOK, probably number one, as already lots of times I have good contacts with the local police. That's number one. Second of them, the girl who should fill in the WOK letter did not fill it in. She was only looking at me and walked away. That's how it happens. Or better yet, that's how it happened. So, I got a lot of luck there. So, the exhaust is changed as well, and in a very positive way. I currently do not have the parts over here that were completely destroyed, because I told you guys already, I think in some other videos, but in the very first day that I had my car, probably the flex pipe was so messed up that it cannot be fixed. So I got also in the tuning group several welders, which I couldn't, which I also told in some videos. And I told him, listen up, I got a lot of holes in my exhaust which I cannot fix because I'm not a welder. Are you able to do that now? And he was telling me, hey, you know what? I need some things to do that. Just get in my car and let's go. So that was my very first time that I was going into a Buick Skylark V8 350 block, which was very nice experience as an American freak like I am. So so we did that. We welded. We took a chainsaw, or at least a saw. So we took the flex pipe out because we could not weld it together. We were burning straight through it, so it was not stable enough anymore. So we took it off, put the pipe in it instead of flex. So we didn't replace it with a flex pipe, but just with a normal one. Also, inside of the flex pipe there were some silencing stuff which I don't like. We took that away, of course, and we did a normal tubing in there, welded that together, and currently it's leaking. So the welding procedure, well, it was good, but I think because the flex pipe is missing, that my complete exhaust is shaking as hell, because the flex pipe is meant to shake. It's meant to be flexible when the engine is going on or revving. So in this case my complete exhaust moves a little bit. Not that it's gonna be a problem or something like that, but I have the remaining exhaust leaks to fix. Now, I only have some little holes in my exhaust, so that's something I have to redo, and I need someone for that. So currently I am waiting, but because it was so late in that night for the welder that it was dark outside, and with dark he couldn't see a lot, and he, well, lightly burned himself a bit with the welding device. So I also said, no problem, respect for you, just take your time, whenever you are able, tell me. Whenever I can help you, tell me as well. So that's what I have done. On the other hand, some people already could get myself some stickers, so for on the windshield. So also for the group where I'm in, I got 2 of them, one on the left side, one on the right side. And guys, the most important thing is that I have found someone who could get my Tuning Dutchy stickers, as well for Instagram and as well for YouTube. Now, I am gonna look here on my computer and I'm gonna show you guys how that's gonna look like, because currently my what I think about it is actually very nice. Now, let's see if I have the perfect review. Yes, here we are. So what I'm gonna show you guys currently are the stickers that I'm gonna place on my. So these are 2 stickers. Now don't mind the black ones, because this was for the designer itself, so he knows how long it's gonna be and how high it's gonna be. Now, of course, I don't think I have to explain anything. Now, YouTube, of course, and my Instagram. This one should be normally in another color, in the purple one, but the girl that could do it was not able to do this in, as you can see, this bright color over there. Not a big deal though, of course, because I mean, no problem, it's gonna be on the windshield, so we are taking this very simply. Makes it clear as well. So Yes, guys, this is what I'm gonna have on my back. Now, the YouTube logo actually is going to my left side on the windshield, back windshield, and the Instagram logo is gonna be on the right side of my windshield. So, there we go. Besides talking about logos, I don't have any updates yet about the orders that I have placed. Now, as you guys already have seen, I got my DeFi A1 Advance for the turbo pressure actually, but in this case for the supercharger piping. Um, Now I also have to wait currently for the blow-off valve still to arrive, but it seems like it's going to enter my home at the 1st of June, and the supercharger is gonna enter my home on the 13th May. So it's gonna take still a little while, but we are already in April, so it's taking a little bit more than a month. Um, say 1.5 months approximately. So, and then my supercharger is already here. Now, I could do two things, but I think it's the best to do the last. First thing is to put it on immediately, or the last, as I said, is best. To wait also for the blow-off valve to arrive, and so I have everything complete and install it. So that's actually what I'm currently thinking about. Now, if we're talking about the tuning group where I am located in, well, to tell you guys this, things are more possible. You have more help. A lot of people do know a lot more, and so that means that I also can do easier an engine swap. People were already looking very weird when I said that I want the BMW V6 170 horsepower, completely bone stock, to put in my Matisse instead of a V3 engine that only has a capacity of 800 cc's, so 0 to 8 liter engine, and only 52 horsepower. So I want to replace that later on when I got some money with a BMW V6 2.5 liter engine, 170 horsepower. This is definitely going to increase me some acceleration and top speed. Actually, overall, also the weight of the car is going to be a little bit more. Um, but also the BMW engine, if I am that far to buy it from the person, I have to customize stuff like the drive shaft, because the drive shaft actually is larger than my car, which is quite obvious. So I have to custom size that one by a shop, and of course that's gonna cost me money as well. So I have to get some reserves to do this. Now the engine is in pretty good shape. I already saw it on the video and photos. So yeah, I'm not afraid for the results. I think I'm pretty good here. Now only the engine mount is my biggest concern, because I don't know heck about that, and I know I need people that can do it with, well, a tenth of a millimeter precision, because once one engine mount is going completely wrong, then I am very sadly said here on YouTube, and then I am very fucked in hell. So yeah, no, nice. Not, it's definitely not the nicest language, but it's true. It's if that's gonna fail, then I am walking in a lot of problems. Then I can take the blog out and do everything again. So that's actually the explanation that I currently got for you guys. Now tomorrow we got the same routine, so that means I have to be back in the group again. Maybe a friend of mine comes by. I don't know, not sure yet. And I have to go to pick those stickers up. So whenever those are placed on my windshield, or at least one of them, I will also show you guys the next time. One thing that I would like to tell you guys, but by the way, if you already made it this far, what the... Oh, excuse me, it's already almost 3 o'clock in the night. But what I want to tell you guys, since there is not yet a drive POV done in the last 3 weeks maybe, I'm definitely planning to do one. I don't want to plan too much drive POVs, but I will do at least something. Now I do also have, the exhaust of mine has some leaks, not too much, but some of them. So I want in this case, the strongest stuff that exists for the exhaust, so I can close it up completely instead of having almost instantly leaks. So that's what I'm planning and doing here. Now guys, still I was planning actually to make it short as possible, but I think the explanation that I give you guys still a little bit well, not on the large side, but I think on the clear side in this particular situation. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys understand my current situation, which doesn't mean anything actually, but that could mean that videos are gonna be delayed, or drive PVs are less possible than normal, which already is the case because you guys have seen the last one on 1 month ago. But yeah, I mean, also the prices in the Netherlands are raising like an idiot, so I have to watch my back as well in financial stuff. If you like this video guys, then give this video definitely a like. If you subscribe to the channel, that will help me definitely move on and going to continue with a lot of cool stuff, because I'm in a tuning group at this moment, and it seems like it's going to look very nicely forward. Now, again, like, subscribe and share to the channel, and again guys, share this video with your friends so they know exactly who Tuning Dutchy is. I'm gonna hang up the phone, I'm gonna drink my cup of coffee, still completely filled up to the top. Didn't have time for that, but anyways, I see you guys in the next time, in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Anyways guys, I see you guys the next time, take care of yourself, and drive safe. Don't be an idiot like me. See you guys the next time.